Well, here's a switch. Amy's put me in front of the camera. Surprise. And I'm having one of my favorite things that really you could get anywhere. And what we have here is a Vietnamese Bahn Mi sandwich. And here, my friend Lisa and her culinary crew back in the kitchen are really hitting it out of the park. This is a chicken Bahn Mi with a toasted bun. You have chicken thigh that's been marinated, topped with the pickled daikon and carrot, cilantro for that freshness, a little bit of jalapeno pepper, which gives you that crunch, that peppery, waxy flavor, and some heat. And I can't wait to dig into this. So here we go. I love that they opted for the chicken thigh instead of chicken breast. So you get more flavor from the chicken thigh, a little more fat content. You get the crunch from the bread. You could hear that crunch right there. The sweetness from the pickled daikon and carrot, and a little bit of the tingle from the jalapeno.
Which you love. Yeah, right.
And I realized that one of the great controversies of our day is whether or not cilantro is good. And the answer to that question is yes, it is. And for those that don't think so, you're wrong. And I realized that it's because you're genetically predisposed to not like it and think it tastes like soap, but I'm sorry, you're wrong. This Bahn Mi, this is a huge portion. This would be big enough for 2 people to split. They are serving it with a side of these root vegetable chips. The high-end fancy chips you sometimes get on the airlines. And you can see here, I mean, that's the chicken. It's marinated. It's got a little bit of a sweetness from the marinade. It's fantastic. This is really would be a great bite to come in and get on a lunch break. This place is set back kind of in an older neighborhood here in South Tampa. You're probably a stone's throw from the gate at MacDill Air Force Base, so a great spot for people who are working at MacDill to come for a bite of lunch and then go back to work. Cannot recommend it enough. So come try the Vietnamese Bahn Mi here at Asian Kitchen.